how to find today's events on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find today's events on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find events. Click on it and then just go down. Here you will find this one today. Click on it and as you see here you can find today's event and that's how to find today's event on Facebook Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.